Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my elders are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please yours, you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video, so guys, the wait is over. Today I'm sharing with you beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish and made knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection, beautiful designing, beautiful colors, beautiful ideas. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, different designing, different colors, beautiful pattern, handmade knitting variety. Some are light color uses, some are dark color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet neck warmer ideas. Mind-blowing pattern. Follow my channel, press the bell icon, good comment section. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please wait for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.